Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna learn NumPy tutorial, that is Python library. So, what is basically a NumPy? It is a short form of numerical Python. It is one of the most fundamental libraries of Python. It is useful for numerical calculations. So, now let's see about what there is. So, NumPy fundamentals: array manipulation, mathematical function, linear algebra, and random numbers. So, NumPy efficiently helpful for array manipulation, mathematical operation, linear algebra, and random number generation. So these are the uses of array. For array manipulation, creating and reshaping array, mathematical function, performing element wise operation, linear perform matrix operation, and random performing the random element. Now let's see about manipulation. For creation, np.array normal bracket inside that of list, how you will be create like that. For reshaping original.np like this, it will be turned out into rows and columns for 1D, 2D. You will be seeing in the upcoming videos about 1D and 2D dimensional arrays. Now let's see about the next one, which is the mathematical operation, that is of matrix. Okay, 1 2, the first one is 1 2 3 4, next one of 5 6 7 8. So if you add 1 plus 5 6, 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 7 10, and 4 plus 8 12. So like that it will be adding. You can also able to perform mathematical operations here. Now let's see the next one, which is NumPy linear algebra, which is of matrix and vector products, dot and v dot functions, inner and outer functions, matrix function, and at last matrix eigenvalue functions. Now random array generation, np.random.ran and randDDN. Like that, three types: rand, randin, and randient. You will be seeing all this in the upcoming video. So this will be the basic of NumPy. The next video you will be seeing about this. So why we have to use NumPy? For creating and manipulating arrays, performing element wise verse and matrix operation. Next, conducting linear algebra, generating random numbers, working with statistical, working with Fourier transformation, and handling missing values. So why you learn NumPy? NumPy speeds up math operation like addition, subtraction. Also it gives ready to use functions of statistical algebra, and it's useful for handling list of numbers. Now let's see the libraries. They are SciPy, TensorFlow, like that. NumPy uses less memory and more storages. We will be seeing more about the tutorials NumPy basics. So I hope now you understood why to use NumPy and what is NumPy, and by using NumPy what all we can perform, and also what are the help NumPy can do. Now let's jump into introduction. So the key features means n-dimensional arrays with high performance and vectorization. Now let's see installing. So first you have to install as pip install NumPy, import NumPy as np. Next, for creating 1D, x is equal to np.array, only one dimension. 2D means like this, you have to separate it by two values using the square bracket. 3D means like this, you have to 4. So this is how you will be creating 1D, 2D, and 3D. I hope now you understood how to create it. Now you are able to see the output of 1D, 2D, and 3D arrays. Now let's see. Using NumPy function, you can able to provide array initialization. So a1 zeros 1 range, like that you will be able to create. NumPy basic indexing means it allows to access elements in the basic index. Here array id of 2 means that is 30. So you can able to see the single element. Negative element minus element left from the right first, that is the 50. Multi-dimensional array, that is array of 1 comma 0. So the first element will be of in np.array, which is that 4. So I hope now you understood how to access this elements in array. Indexing, slicing, you can also able to perform slicing. Import NumPy array is equal to np.array, creating array range of elements, that is from 1 is to 4 means, so the elements has to be starting from the index 1 to 4 it will be showing. Now multi-dimensional means before 1. Okay, like this you will be after 1, that is 2 and 5. Now let's see about advanced slicing. Importing array, creating array, integration, and printing. Now let's see the basic operations. As I have told, you can able to perform addition, subtraction, and math. So element wise operation like addition, subtraction, first you are importing and giving the x and y. Adding, for addition, add is equal to x plus y. Print addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you have to give the input, create variable variable x and y. So you will be getting unary operation helps us to each individual in an array without need of multiple array. So result is equal to np dot absolute error. So this is how you will be creating unary. So now let's see about binary operations. So binary operation apply to array elements of new operation. So binary it has been created. Next numpy u function. So sin cos like that you will be able to perform. Next sorting, you can also able to perform sorting by sorting whatever you want and whatever you don't want, whatever you want to skip. So all these are the basic functions of operations of numpy. I hope you understood. Thank you for your attention till now. Also, if you found this video was useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Thank you all.